Good morning, guys. Tens of millions of dollars, honestly, probably hundreds of millions, still heading into Bitcoin on the drop whales are buying. I'll show that to you today. And we're also going to talk about this little rumor going around the web that Bitcoin's going to hit $220,000 by the end of the year. I have my doubts, but I'll give you my number one reasoning of why it actually could. And this is from talking to a $1 billion hedge fund that I have a friend that works with that, okay? I'll share this with you guys in this video, so watch this. We're gonna go over the emotional index for Bitcoin today, the long versus short trades. Long trades are still blowing up. Market cap is blowing up. Trades in favor, well-institutional smart money, support and resistance prices, and we're gonna end the day here looking at a couple other metrics and getting you guys into a trade setup. So don't miss this, guys. We're currently sitting at 122 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. Guys, come over here, trade with us. It's going to be awesome. Last but not least, I want to say this out front so no one feels like they missed out watching the video later. Guys, our indicators right now, we've got a May sale, 84% off all of our indicators. We will never have our prices lower than this. It's the lowest you guys can get it. All right, let's dive in. The analysis of Bitcoin. I kind of want to dive in. Can we dive into this article real quick? This is just absurd, and it's like circulating on multiple websites right now. Bitcoin bull Mark Kaiser, I believe is how you pronounce his name, updates 220,000 BTC prediction. Here's his timeline. Let's cut to the chase. His timeline is this. All right, he's saying 220,000 at some point this year. This is a 2022 prediction, okay? It's interesting because we see this article. Come back over here. We've got another article ranking on Google right now. Sorry, let me see if I can get the hamsters to start running in the background so my internet can work here. We've got more articles coming out saying that this is going to actually start pumping in 2022 as well to 220,000. Looking back over here, I'm sorry guys. For some reason, this is just having a hard time. There we go. Cool. The number one trending article right now is this: BTC set for 220,000 in 2022 as billionaire blank basically fears the collapse of the dollar. So we've got this coming out here. We've got another article here from a different website. And then we've got YouTube videos coming out here talking about this Max Kaiser. Okay, I want to cut to the chase here right now. Guys, there is no possible way this is going to 220,000 unless one situation happens, and I will tell you exactly what it is. And if those of you guys who are my, $100 million hedge funds out there, listen up. This is how it's going to happen. But first, can I give you perspective of how ridiculously high $220,000 is? And mind you, we are already in May. Okay, the entire pump that we've seen in crypto that just blew everybody away would have to happen twice before the end of the year, okay? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is 7 months to basically double what we've done and then add it on top of itself again. I highly doubt this is going to happen. All right, with that said, here's the only scenario that could take place to pump Bitcoin like this. The only scenario, I'll talk about this in Ethereum, is if a spot ETF is created. Spot ETF will allow a lot of hedge fund managers and money managers to open it up to baby boomers and people who have their money sitting in either stocks, bonds, whatever, their mutual funds, okay? Follow me for a second. There are so many baby boomers out there that have a ridiculous amount of money that, number one, they do not trust crypto, or two, they just don't know how to invest it yet. Here's the thing. You're not going to need to convince the baby boomers. You're not going to need to. All you need to do is convince the hedge fund managers and the portfolio managers that Bitcoin and crypto is a secure asset class, and if it goes into a spot ETF, that will be what they need to validate it for their investors. They will say, hey, what if we just invest 1 to 2, 3% into Bitcoin, into crypto? That is where we could see, and that is the number one thing that has to happen for us to actually hit that target, and it's going to have to happen this year. I don't know if it's going to happen though, okay? Also, I want to talk about one more thing. I know this is going to be a longer video, guys, but please listen to these words. If that happens, you need to understand this. Imagine yourself being a hedge fund manager or a portfolio manager talking to your clients saying, hey, we should put some money into crypto. Their clients, they're not going to know anything about any of the altcoins, guys. They may know about Dogecoin because, and trust me, they're not going to have confidence because they're going to think it's a millennial thing that people pump. What I believe could happen here when the spot ETF is released is you may see a fast separation of price structure in Bitcoin and Ethereum versus the alts. Okay? The reason for that is because Bitcoin and Ethereum is trusted more as the parent coins, especially Bitcoin. And when that spot ETF is released, Bitcoin could skyrocket and your altcoin positions may not actually keep up anywhere close. So as that comes closer, I'll be covering it on this channel because I literally have some friends that are watching this really closely. They're part of billion-dollar hedge funds. I will keep you guys updated on this, okay? No, that was a long intro, but you must know that because that's the only way this is going to happen, and it is possible it could happen this year. Okay, all that said, let me kind of go through the analysis a little bit faster this morning. A descending channel, this is where you guys need to be watching. You've got money in the market. What's going to happen this week? I think this week, guys, we just need to stay above this ascending support line. That's it. If we can stay above here, this thing is going to start blasting up here because we're going to get what's called a pressure point. And then this is going to actually be where the market starts flying up here really fast. It's going to come in the form of a short squeeze. People are going to see the price up here. They're going to short. It's going to short squeeze them, and they're going to hit some of their stop losses, and they're going to be forced to actually shift their position over to long trades. Okay? The target I'm looking for is very clear, guys. I'm not going to do some crazy pump stuff on this channel. It is simply this structure right here. We are looking for Bitcoin to go to $43,000. Let me show you guys some more metrics here. The indicators down here. Watch this carefully. Those of you guys who watched the trend exhaustion below here, those of you guys who snagged in some of the scalping positions, you guys were able to get in and make some great entries. Great job, guys. You saw the tutorial on the front of our website probably the other day when I plastered it on the front, this 100% win rate. Watch this. That's part of what you guys are able to trade with is these two indicators to predict moves up and moves down before they happen. Right now, money is flowing into Bitcoin. Okay, when it does, this green line right here starts moving up to these higher sections, you need to watch for the market to see another move back down. Right there, you can see it. Up here, you can see the move back down. Just look at every single high point that you've seen. Even in a strong uptrend, this is where the market is dropping, guys. Those of you guys are like, man, I want like an indicator where I can predict some crazy moves down and make a ton of money. Okay, there you go. These indicators. Wait for the trend exhaustion to be high. Wait for the well money flow to be high. Do you guys see how it's higher right here? Combine these together. This was not the greatest entry. Why? Because it wasn't high. Pair these up and you guys have ridiculous entries on short trades and long trades. Seriously, the confirmation you guys are getting is just astronomical. It's how some traders are making tens of thousands of dollars a month. All right, watch that. They're in the description. The next move I'm looking for, guys, is a move up here, a move up there, and I'm watching for the drop back down when we get up here, and then I'm looking for that short squeeze back up. That's the whole play. It's very, very simple. All right. Look at this over here. I want to take us to the actual metrics for Bitcoin and show you guys some on-chain metrics of why this is getting very bullish. The emotional index is still in the anxious section. Guys, when retail traders are anxious, this market's going to go up. It is going to go up, guys. Mark these words. It is going to go up. You just need to be patient in the market, okay? Look at this. Long versus short trades. Long trades are blowing up here, guys. Look at this. Last time when we saw this consolidation period and these drops in the market, long trades kept coming. Guess what happened? A huge pump up in the market. Guys, that pump is this pump over here. That's what could be coming. And some of you guys are like, I'm so nervous. Please, let me just give you some hope this morning. Like, this is a descending channel. Descending channels break to the upside. It can reform itself and broaden itself a little bit. But guys, this is a bullish pattern. Short trades are also heading out and they're like, I'm getting out of the way. This thing's going up. Seriously, that's what they're saying. That's why that happened. Let me give you more proof. The market cap strength of Bitcoin, literally hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars are pushed into Bitcoin in the last 7 to 8 days. That, guys, and the price is going down. This means one thing. Institutions, Wells, the big boys, they are buying strong. What happened last time the market went down like this and the market cap increased this strength? We saw a huge pump in Bitcoin. Guys, come on. You need to be getting excited on these metrics. Like, watch these every single day. Like, unbiased. Look at this. Price action is going down on Bitcoin and market cap starts going up. What's the precursor? It's a jump in price. Okay? Price action is going down. Market cap is increasing. What's the precursor? It is the aftermath of a jump in price. Okay, you guys can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. We have the nether setup right there that's happening. Okay, and then once we start heading up, watch this. Price action moving up, market cap moving down. Guess what's going to probably happen? Probably see a drop back down in Bitcoin. Come on, guys. You're like cheating at this point with these metrics. It's pretty crazy. And this is how you're able to make good money. And honestly, guys, more than good money, because people get jacked about this, get pumped about this. How about just making really good decisions in crypto? There we go. All right. I hope you guys can, hope my passion's coming across as kind and excited, because hopefully it's not too much for some of you guys. Okay, trades in favor. Good long trades. If my mom was sitting right next to me, she's like, Travis, what should I take, a short trade or a long trade? I'm like, absolutely long trade. You want to take a short trade, guys? Wait for this metric to be in the good short trade area. Look at how much favor you guys have. And this literally, for some of you, translates into tens of thousands or millions of dollars that you could be losing or gaining in your personal portfolio that you're looking at. Stay on the right side of the market with trades in favor with this metric. Look at Wells and Institutions. They are buying this entire time. I'm telling you guys, smart money knows how to buy. They buy the dip. Market cap is showing they're buying the dip. Hundreds of millions of dollars flooding into the Bitcoin, buying the dip. Okay? Look at this and we'll get you guys into a trade setup. The next resistance, probably 40,337. I understand that's right about here. We do need to break this. So what I'm looking for is this target right up here, which I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. It's right around $43,000 is the target I'm looking for the next bull run, and then a move down after that. Dollar cost average entries, you guys have been doing great here. Out of all this, your entries probably somewhere right around here. Holding for 5 to 10 years, guys, you're going to do absolutely insane. If that spot ETF comes out, this is going to be insane. Based off what I told you guys earlier, I'm probably going to start allocating more money into Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's not going to be more than what I currently have in my other positions because I still believe EOS and Cardano are going to be the two highest running coins of 2022. They're the two coins that everyone's given up on, and I buy into people. I buy into coins that people have given up on because I've just seen them pump too much. All right. Let's finish this and get you guys into a trade setup. The resistance here is going to be at the 200 moving average. Okay, when the 50 is above the 200, this is a golden cross. When the 50 is below the 200, this is what's called a death cross. So watch that to be resistance. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now. For all of you guys who've been watching us, you guys have been seeing us win trades over here, and we have a super healthy account. This is exactly how we do this. You guys are going to choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions at each of the yellow lines, boom, right there. And then you guys are going to set up a buy limit, once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit up here in your exchange. You guys can literally just follow me in Telegram and I will be calling all of these trades out for you guys, okay? We have a Bitcoin trade going right now, and when this is in the profit, I will be calling an exit for everybody so they can join me on this. So those of you guys who are trading with us today and you're getting into this trade, we are going to be looking for an exit right when we get up to about this structure right about here on Bitcoin, okay? Currently down 17.18%. We still have a full other buy limit to get hit down here. That's why this risk management strategy is insane. Some people are down easily, guys, 30-40% on their Bitcoin trades. We're only down 17. It's because of the risk management we use, okay? Here's how you guys join us if you guys are brand new. Links are in the description. It's just $95 a month. That's it. Our win rate's kept up here, always updated. All the metrics you need to see what the whales are doing, guys, and stay on their side. You're going to get them for all the coins. The Telegram channel, all the entries and exits that I call, they're yours. Master classes, those are all yours. I literally taught $1 million, billion-dollar hedge funds this stuff. Crypto community chat. All of our members, literally, if they've followed our strategy to a T, they've never lost a trade. Start talking to people who've never lost trades before or have done some crazy testimonials. Start getting in here and talking to them. And this chat is literally 24/7. It's not like we turn this thing off. This thing always runs. So if you guys are, it's kind of funny. Avalanche, guys. No, it's not Avalanche. Yeah, AVX. AVX, guys, is also another coin I think is going to explode as well. So showing you guys that. And then come down here. I'm going to go live every single month in a Zoom call and do an open Q&A session, so make sure you guys are subscribed for that. Last but not least, I showed you guys this already, but please, guys, if you've ever seen anything on our channel, you're like, man, those indicators are crazy. They are, seriously. And this is the biggest sell we've got going on for May. This is the lowest price we will ever have our indicators. This is our Black Friday sale that we had last year that we're doing in May. May's my birthday, and I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool. And so I thought that would be kind of fun to run a sale. More than that, the market is so ridiculously low right now, so I know a lot of you guys are kind of getting scared, but I think you need the tools right now to make more money. Honestly, that is just my thing. And so I'm like, I literally told this to the team last night. I'm like, guys, I think we should discount it just a little bit because I want to get them into the market because they're going to make more money with this. And you know what? We're going to do that for you guys. So make sure you guys snag this right here. You do need to enter coupon code SAVEMONEY. So click this link, enter coupon code SAVEMONEY. I can talk to you about these. These 3 down here, you're going to do great with. These are the 3 that you guys need. It's cheaper to just get the bundle pack and you get all 9 indicators. It's a one-time purchase, lifetime access, and you guys will get all of them and the source codes to every single one of our indicators so nobody can take them away from you. All right, guys, God bless you so much. All the links are in the description as well as in the first comment of this YouTube video. I really hope you enjoyed the analysis, And I'll see you guys on the next trades and the next videos I got coming out with. Join the Telegram channel. I'll keep you guys updated with everything. But I am looking for Bitcoin to get bullish this week. And I would not doubt if we get a bull run, we're going to probably be heading up to right around this structure higher, about 43,000. This week is not an unrealistic prediction. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next videos. God bless you. Everything you need is linked in the description. Bye, guys.